Hey everyone, this is sound check. Can you please confirm that you can hear me clearly? On the chat, please. Right. Hi everybody. Welcome to a new weekly Forex forecast. As usual, every Saturday at 1 p.m. UK time. Those of you guys who are watching right now, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. And thank you very much, guys, for the 500 plus likes last week. Let me just go to this one. And I was just asking you to go for 500 likes so we can go for 1 week of live sessions. So to update you about that, next week, guys, will be the live session. I'll be with you on every day from Monday till Friday at 8 a.m. UK time. And I'll update you about the links, where will be the live. It will be on Zoom or on TradingView. All the details will be shared, guys, on our social media platforms, on Telegram, here on YouTube, community tab. So make sure, guys, to follow us on all our social media platforms. I'll make sure to put the links in the description under the video, under the stream, once the stream will be ended. So you can go here as example. Once you finish the stream, you can click show more and all the details will be here for you. Okay. So this leads guys to the 1 week live at We Trade Waves. All right. So all of you are invited, guys, to join us for this week. I'll make sure to try to answer all your questions. If you have basically any question about any chart, I'll make sure also to give you as much knowledge as possible. And this as promised. All right. So again, thank you very much for liking, sharing, commenting on the last stream. And again, if you can, guys, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment once the stream will finish. This will be appreciated. Now, back to the charts. I really hope all of you made money last week. Market again and again was moving exactly as expected. So Those of you guys who are, guys, again, can you confirm, please, that you can hear me clearly? Someone saying probably the voice is not clear. Can you please confirm for the last time before I start the forecast? So, those of you who don't know, this stream will be recorded. If there is any problem with the connection, we'll upload this later on to YouTube with the HD version. Okay? Again, if you can confirm the sound, guys, this will be appreciated. Now, back to the charts. Gold, this was amazing. Again and again, every single week. Those of you guys, perfect, thank you very much for confirming. Those of you guys who don't know, any video, any live stream you can find on our YouTube channel. So if I go to this one here, if you just search for Weekly Waves on YouTube, you'll be able to see this, okay? So everything I say, you can just go back and check it here in these ones, okay? So I suggest you, those of you are new and even those of you are old followers, go to this one step by step and watch basically how we forecasted the market and how market was moving, okay? Not for any specific pair, for all the pairs, step by step, wave by wave, okay? This is very, very important. And just to not basically explain much about the stream, I'll share with you all the details step by step with the link, with the timing on the social media platforms. I'm repeating this just for those who are joining right now. All the details will be shared on our Telegram, official Telegram channel, on our Instagram, on our Facebook, Twitter, and on YouTube. All the official links, also you can find them on our website. If you go to weeklywaves.com, you can find the links on the footer of the website, okay? So for now, this is, I think, is sorted. Again, I'd like to thank you for what you have done last week. And if you can repeat this one on a weekly basis, this will be appreciated, because the more you like, the more you comment, people will basically, YouTube will spread the forecast for more traders, okay? They might need help, guys. This is the exact way you found us. Anyway, back to the charts. Gold, straight away. For this one, I really hope, guys, there is no better way to show you basically what we have forecasted and how market was moving. We said market will correct upwards and will fall after. This basically done in terms of the forecast. And market was moving exactly as expected. You can double check that. You can see this anyway on our last stream. You can go to this one, and this was the forecast. Look at this. It's 3 waves in advance, by the way. It's not one wave, also with the characteristics. I want you to focus on this one because this is very important, all right? Corrective structure here, up move, and then drop. I also want you to focus on the levels. Why I'm mentioning the levels? Because the levels, guys, are mentioned during our Sunday live session. Sunday live session is for weighted waivers only, okay? So for people who are subscribing to WTW membership, which is this one, okay? You can check the details here on our website. But again, I want to focus on the levels because these levels, guys, are shared to weighted waivers, okay? Look at this. We've got a corrective structure. We've got one push up, and we were saying to our members, to weighted waivers, the levels, 1950, 1970, and then after that, the drop down to 1930, okay? Just step by step, look at this. Here, 1950, as you can see, this ended here, exactly here, and this is here, the 1970, and this is the 1930. Step by step, wave by wave. Even market basically gave us the structure as we want, step by step, regardless of the news. By the way, we have said to our members, guys, during NFP, or like once we have the dollar news, this will push up again. So from 1930, you've got reaction, okay? This is some sort of manipulation. This is usually happens just to take liquidity under these lows. And after that, market started to push up. So in terms of the before and after, this was crazy. Okay, like this sort of high accuracy, you cannot find it anywhere but at weighted waves. Also, you can see on Insta, our members start to post this for you step by step, wave by wave. I want you guys to check that because this is basically, this is crazy, this is amazing. Okay, now for that, I didn't want to hear basically if some of you guys made money trading this down rate, because this was a lot of you trading basically gold, and this was perfect. Okay, so what do we have here? After all these waves that we're forecasting step by step, wave by wave here, might give us this drop, corrective structure drop. Most of Elliott waivers, okay, who are just, I'm not criticizing, I'm just showing you the difference, okay? Most of Elliott waivers, with full respect to all of them, okay? This for them is the typical Elliott wave pattern, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. This is Elliott wave cycle. Again, I'm repeating, I'm not criticizing, I'm just explaining you the difference between weighted waves and between any other concept, okay? For them, they focus on the labeling. We do not do that. We do not trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't trade basically ABC. We don't trade characters. We trade structures. And that's why last week I said to you, market will correct for another fall. It's not this up move. okay? Because for weighted waivers, it's different. For 8 waivers, they'll be going here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again, ABC again, and so on and so forth. Motive waves, impulsive structures, corrective structures, it's different story. We see waves and structures differently. Again, for this one, it was amazing. What's next? I'm expecting market here to keep pushing to the upside, give me a corrective structure, and one more push up. All right? Those of you guys who made money, I suggest you to enjoy the profits. That's very important, guys, in terms of psychology. We are making money, and we know basically how to manage profits and how to manage psychology. That's the most important part in trading. After you get the knowledge, you have to work on your psychology. We can help you with that, and the sessions that we are conducting at Weighted Waves, most of them are about psychology, because getting the knowledge, you can get the knowledge in 1, 2, 3 months. It's not an issue. But managing the trades and managing your psychology is the big problem. And we can help you with that. A lot of members are passing this barrier and they are succeeding. We have a lot of success stories, by the way. Look at this. This was just last week. Okay, you can see basically I'm showing this step by step, week by week, just because we are proud about our members. Okay, about every single member, because the community is basically all in one and one for all. Everyone who is posting like if he pass a funded trade challenge or he posts anything by winning a lot of money privately, they are messaging us. But we are happy for every single member because they are making progress or money. Okay, because look at this. This, by the way, on the 2nd of August, just last week. I'm not showing you what happened before because on a weekly basis, we have success stories. This is Rab and this is Sanjar. I want you just to read these ones, guys, later on. You can pause, you can basically read later. But I want you to see basically the family spirit. I want you to see the spirit of the community. It's motivation, it's family spirit, and everyone is helping everyone here. That's the way to succeed, okay? By surrounding yourself with like-minded people. Not only basically Sanjay and Rob, you can also see Carl again. He passed basically another challenge. So 3 members, they are passing basically the challenges in only 1 week. All right, guys? So this is just some sort of an idea what you will get if you are joining the right community and the right mentors, okay? It's not about us. I'm repeating this. I'm making money from trading, okay? So we as Weighted Waves mentors, we are making money from trading, and we have this amazing community. The goal is to build the best trading community in the world. We have it. We are growing it, okay? So we are focusing on the quality, and the quality is crazy. Make sense? For gold, up. Corrective structure, up. You want to see the levels? You want to know the levels? You want to know the details? The levels, guys, we are sharing this on our Sunday live sessions, okay? Because this is not fair for weighted waivers. I'm just here to give you the bias and to give you the direction. Which wave to trade is up to you. Do you want to trade this wave or do you want to trade this one to complete the corrective structure? For another fall is up to you. Even this is too early for this wave, but this is what I can say, all right? Corrective structure upwards for another drop. Alan, can the structure change from here? 100% it can. If that happens, we'll be able to spot this change and we'll update you probably later on. But for now, I want you to focus on the short-term moves, which is a corrective structure, one more push up. Can I be wrong? 100%, because the main point is not me being right. The main point is you making money, okay? Which wave to trade is up to you. If you have different point of view, I respect that. Nothing wrong with that, okay? If you are expecting gold to fall from here and you want to sell, you go for it. All what I'm doing is I'm sharing our point of view based on We Trade Waves special wave analysis concept. If you are really serious about trading and you want to learn how to trade correctly and make money from trading, you have to join us, guys, okay? Because there is no other way. This is what our members are saying. It's not me. It's our members, right? And one more thing, guys, okay? Trading is not about one trade to make big money from one trade and that's it. It's not like that. Okay, guys? So for this one, I really hope, guys, you are making basically, you are making money, or at least you are gaining knowledge, because my goal here is to help you not losing your account. If you want to grow it exponentially, you know the solution. Yes, oil for this one. Also, I said last week, pull back and then up again. You remember that, right? Let me show you this one here. It's very important to show you guys the before and after, because in this way, you'll know basically like, yes, these guys, they said that. This US oil, this 6 days ago, streamed on July 29th. And look at this. Pull back, a wave similar to this one, and then up again. Check this one here. pull back exactly to the pip, right? And then up again. Just tell me who can have this accuracy other than we trade waves, okay? So we know what how market moves. We know market makers framework. We know basically how to trade these waves and how to maximize profits when we are right and how to minimize losses when we are wrong. It's not about being right. If anyone is saying to you that he is right 100% of the times, run away. Even us, even me, I get losses. But the point is, I know how to manage the losses, to get small loss when I'm wrong and big profits when I am right. And the main point, or like the big part, is all this, you can find them here. After you join weighted waves, you'll get access to the dashboard. And look at this one, just to show you one more thing. No one do backtesting session, okay? We have done a backtesting session, 1 hour, 30 minutes, on how to backtest, because this is very important. Also, I have joined basically I did just a live session again here for weighted waivers for 1 hour and 46 minutes. And all the Q&A sessions here are purely about psychology and about how to read the charts and how to trade correctly. The course is here. You can get the course from here, right? But it's a lot of knowledge, and the features here are amazing features, okay? You cannot find them anywhere. That's what I'm trying to do. That's why we say do not waste your time and money. You have only one solution. Don't waste your time and money, all right? What next for USOIL? For this one, I'm expecting market to give me a small corrective structure, one push up, and then a big corrective structure to start. Which wave to trade is up to you. Personally, I'll be focusing on this drop if market gives me this sell setup. Will this be one of our trades of the week? We'll let you know during our Sunday live session. What are the trades that we shared? We have given last week Euro New Zealand to the upside, Japan to 25. Let me just show you this one. Look at this. Last week during Sunday session, we have said Euro New Zealand to the upside, and we said market will not, or like market should not break this low. Obviously, you'll not put your stop loss just 1 pip under this one. You need to put like 10, 15 pips or whatever. Even if you get a loss here, it's no problem. It's just small loss. But this was the move, and this was one of the trades of the week to the upside. And market went more than 200 pips up. All right? If you manage this one from here to here, it's more than that. Okay? So the target was somewhere here anyway, but this was the move. We have seen this one, and we have given this as trade of the month, trade of the week, sorry, to the upside last week. Euro New Zealand. Also, if you go to Japan 225, look at this. This was the trade to the upside, and we're expecting market to correct for another push up. But market from here, we've got a reaction to the downside. This must have been a small profit or a break-even trade. All right? You can see this also here. Let me show you this one, trades of the week, just for the sake of transparency. Look at this. Japan 225 to the upside, Euro New Zealand to the upside, and also FTSE to the downside. If I go to FTSE, this one, market went all the way down. Okay? Also, we have given this to the upside here, major scalping upside, and yen pair scalping to the downside and then up after. Even not all the trades will be moving as expected, but you can see the high accuracy. The main point is the accuracy. It's not a signal service, by the way, because weighted waivers, they know how to trade correctly. All right? That's the main point. They know how to maximize profits here and how to minimize losses when the market will not move in their direction. Yes, all, I think you know the forecast and you know how market was moving. Dollar yen. This is amazing. Market anyway gap to the upside. We've got a corrective structure up, and then the fall. What next? Even before BOJ, before any news here, we're expecting market to correct for a push up. Most of you know that, right? So what's next? If you get in this trade and you made money, perfect. Now, after this drop, we have more than one possibility. What I would love market to do is to give me a small corrective structure, one more fall, and then an up move here. This up move, based on the current structure, I'm expecting this to be a corrective structure upwards. Okay? If this will be a corrective structure upwards, one more fall will be coming. What I will do for dollar yen, I will wait for now. If you want to trade this one, this is what I see based on the current market structure. DXY, this was perfect. We've got this corrective structure up, correction up, and this was the NFP, right? Most of you know that during our Sunday session, we speak about the news in details. And we said on Wednesday, NFP will drop this to the downside if market will keep pushing to the upside here before NFP. These sort of analysis, these sort of, I would say, signals, all right? It's not signal service, it's just I'm saying like about signals about where the market will be going next. These sort of signals, guys, you can get it only at weighted waves, okay? So for this one, market started to fall. If you made money trading this up wave, Perfect. What's next? I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure upwards and then one more drop. This is what I can see next for DXY. What after this move, we'll update you later on. I don't have enough waves to predict the next move here, because here we might have more than one possibility. For now, corrective structure, one more fall. Which wave to trade is up to you. Which wave are we going to trade? This will be shared during our Sunday session in detail. All right? Eurodollar, also market was scrolling to the downside. We've got this up move anyway. Drop up. This was a structure, by the way, here. And then another fall. After this wave, we've got this trade during NFP. And this was crazy. Okay, this was during dollar news. What next? Corrective structure here. And then one more push up is what I can see. Okay? This short-term move and this what market most likely will do. Personally, I'll wait for a corrective structure to go for the next buy setup. If market will give me a corrective structure here, and if market will give me my buy setup here. Two things I will wait here. Okay? Corrective structure and then another push up. This will be my trade if I'm trading Eurodollar. I do not trade Eurodollar so often. Usually I trade other majors like pound dollar. Most of you know that. Okay, I trade pound dollar the most and some other pairs. Okay, but a lot of you trade Eurodollar, right? I'm not just saying do not trade Eurodollar. Also, this pattern is something known and something that we teach. All what you can see here is market makers framework. It's not about order blocks. It's not about smart money concept. It's about market makers framework and how they take everybody out before they move the market in the next direction. It's always about that, okay? Understanding market structure and understanding wave analysis. It's we trade waves, wave analysis, by the way, not any wave analysis concept, and not Elliott waves. Don't get me wrong. Some traders, guys, are making money from support and resistance, okay? Some traders are making money from candlestick patterns, probably pin bars, probably dojis. Do not think that we don't know that, yeah? To master wave analysis, we have passed through all of this. We have mastered Elliott waves, smart money concept, order blocks, candlestick patterns, support and resistance, indicators, anything you name, right? We have mastered this before we jump to weighted waves, wave analysis concept. Weighted waves, wave analysis concept is the high quality, is the next level that you want to get, all right? So for this one, this is what I can see next for Eurodollar. Because if might give me here a corrective structure, right? One will push up, and this will be a complete corrective structure. That's why I'm not saying this will push all the way up to break this top. If this what market will give me, another fall will be coming. But this is too late. This is basically too early for that. Okay, so I'll just wait for market to give me the complete structure before the next wave. Pound dollar, this guys was one of our trades of the month for August. Okay, and market was moving exactly as expected to the downside. I'll not show you basically the dashboard because we have the levels written there. I don't want to basically reveal that. It's not fair for weighted waivers. But we're expecting pound dollar to fall during August. And we are just in the 5th of August now. And market went from here all the way down to 1.2630. Somewhere here. What next? I'm expecting a corrective structure. Even market can fall from here. But in all the cases, another drop will be coming for me. Right, for pound dollar, I'm expecting market to fall more, either from current levels or after a completion of the corrective structure. But usually, guys, we give the trades of the weeks even within the trades of the month. So if we're expecting this to go to the downside, we might give you a trade of the week for one push up here before the next drop. Okay, so that's the beauty. We have done that for dollar yen previously. Aussie dollar, this was crazy, right? Let me go to this one here just to show you one more thing. This basically Aussie dollar. Look at that. We have forecasted market to give us a corrective structure. One more fall to break these two lows. This was one, July 22nd. Look at this. Look at the, guys, the waves, yeah? I'm just showing you this again. I want you to focus on this part because this is the power of knowledge, this part, okay? From exactly, we have expected market to give us a corrective structure and then another fall. Corrective structure to not break this top. Okay, I'm just showing you with you a few more things just to show you the power of knowledge. From exactly, it might give us a corrective structure. We never broke this top here and might give us this drop to break these two lows. Just tell me where you can get that. Okay, so it's the power, guys, of knowledge. Okay, we have got this down wave, and that's why a lot of members are succeeding and passing all these challenges and making a lot of money. And again, the goal is to help you being successful, become an independent, successful trader. That's the goal. Help you become an independent, successful trader. And we are succeeding in doing that for a lot of members. That's the main story. My happiness, guys, is once I see someone passing fund trade challenge or send me thank you message about like making money on a monthly basis, or there's a lot of private message, guys. I don't want to basically reveal that, but just saying my happiness is by seeing you making money. Okay, so for this one, after this drop, market is correcting upwards. What's next? After the finish of this corrective structure, one more fall is expected. Okay, so one more drop is expected after the completion of this corrective structure. The fall can be exactly from here after a pullback, or again, we will explain the details during the Sunday session. And if this will be an extended corrective structure, one more fall will be coming anyway. I'm biased for one more drop. Alan, can the market go to the upside here 1,000 pips on Monday? 100% it can. If that's the case, I'm not interested. I'm directly, guys, showing you this just in case some of you are jumping in or following us blindly. Okay? We will never be right 100% of the times. And I don't want you to follow us blindly. I want you to learn. Okay? Because if market will move otherwise, I don't want you to lose your account. And always follow weighted waves, 4 golden rules. Do not jump in. Do not over risk or overtrade. Never ever trade without stop loss. And never ever add to losing positions. Okay, guys? That's the most important part. Okay? This for Aussie dollar. Guys, please, those of you are watching, give us thumbs up, and if we can also hear like comment after we finish the stream, this really appreciated. Guys, all it takes from you is just literally less than 1 minute, okay, to do all this. This will be just a motivation for us to keep sharing, to keep doing these live sessions. Again, this will help YouTube algo to share this forecast to more traders, okay? So please, those of you are watching right now, give us thumbs up and leave a comment, or try, if you can, watch it from more than one device. Once you finish this one till the end, this how you are helping, this how you'll be basically helping Weighted Waves YouTube channel, okay? Watching from more than one device from the start till the end, keep it running, because this will have basically more watch time on for YouTube algo. Give us thumbs up and leave a comment. If you can share on social media platforms, this will be even better, if you can do that. All right? New Zealand dollar, same story. We've got a pullback and then a drop. What's next? Corrective structure. One more fall is what I'm expecting next. This corrective structure, it can get extended, or it can start to fall even from here to the downside. In all the cases, one more drop is all what I can see here for New Zealand dollar. Pound yen, we've got this up wave. We've got here a complete corrective structure. This is the power of the fractal nature of the market. These sort of words, you might not hear them anywhere. The fractal nature of the market, once you master it, you will be able to understand the wave analysis correctly, and you will be able to predict the next wave. Okay? So after this one, market started to push up. What's next? After this up wave, I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure and one more fall. This is what next for pound yen. After the completion of this one, we'll update you later on. For now, this is all I can see. Will this be one of our trades of the week for next week? All of this will be shared during our Sunday live session. Do not miss these sessions, guys, because they are very, very important. Sunday session and Wednesday update. Because once you join, you will get access to the Sunday live session where we share basically the YouTube list, the indices, and the other pairs and your requests. Again, those of you are interested, you can go to our website, guys, and you can read all the details about the membership inside the website. Okay, all the details are there. And if you have any other question, you can check the FAQ section. And if you have more questions, you can send us an email at info@weightedwaves.com. This is the only official email that we have, and our team will reply to you. Okay, it's info@weightedwaves.com. If you have any question that you cannot find the answer on the website. So for pound yen, you get the answer. Dollar CAD, I'm not sure how to explain this, right? Because this forecast was crazy in terms of the accuracy, in terms of the waves, one drop, one push up. I have seen this from here, okay? So from this point, sorry about that, right? From this point, I was able to see one more drop and then one push up. This is cool. Nothing is magic, you guys, all right? By the way, it's only power of knowledge, because once you start to understand, guys, wave analysis, you might need only one pair to make money. And it's not about one trade, one big profit, okay? It's not about making money from one single trade. It's about making consistent money. That's the goal. Make money on a monthly basis. This is what I'm doing. This is what most of retail waivers are doing. Making money on a monthly basis. We have showed you the proof more than once on our YouTube channel and on other platforms as well. Okay, that this is what you can do if you learn how to trade correctly. The only thing that you have to do is to learn how to trade correctly, join the right community, join the right mentors, and just start to work on yourself. And I'm not giving you any false promise here. Once you join, you need more than 5 to 6 months to master the concept. That's why it's very important to join right now in order for you to make money after 6, 7 months. You get what I mean? There's nothing magical. And if you don't want to put the right work on it, you will not be able to succeed in any way. You have to get the knowledge, practice, join the community, join the daily live sessions, communicate with like-minded people in order to learn fast. The only shortcut is by doing the right thing. So for dollar CAD, I think you remember this forecast, right? If I'm not wrong, our members or like our team have posted this here. Let me just double check. That's the one. Look at this. This was forecasted on the 29th of July, right? I have said to you drop and then up again. And look where the market is at the moment. You've got this drop and you've got this up move. I think this is crazy, right? And all of this is based on knowledge. What I was seeing here, this is what I was looking for. This was a corrective structure in the middle, by the way, okay? And this is another corrective structure in the middle. This is called a regular flat, by the way. We have a running flat inside a regular flat, inside another running flat. This is how complex the structure is, even though we're able to see all these waves. Make sense, guys? Can you see the power of knowledge? What's next for dollar CAD? After this up wave, I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure downwards. And this corrective structure will be slightly bigger than this one, by the way. Okay? This is what I can see next for dollar CAD. Which wave to trade? I'll be focusing on the sell setups. If you want to trade the buy setups, is up to you. Silver, amazing again and again. Last week, market was here. And if you ask any of our waivers, any of wave analysts as well, they will say to you basically this is a complete corrective structure and the market will push all the way out to break the top. What I have said to you, I said market will go to the upside, will correct for another drop. Why? Again and again, it's purely knowledge. And you can learn that. That's the main point. We are here to teach you basically how to do the same thing. Okay? So for this one, we've got this drop, corrective structure drop. I really hope those of you are trading silver, get in the sell and made money trading this down wave, because this was an amazing move. And you can maximize profits if you know how to do that. It's not about just one trade, make 2 to 1 and that's it. This will never work, by the way. Or if you do not focus on the risk management and money management, you will not be able to make consistent money, because a lot of traders, right? I know few traders who are basically trading without stop loss. Either they don't care about their account or they have big money and then they are trading small lot size. If I need just to put this in the other way, you can trade without stop loss only in 2 cases or in 2 scenarios. If you are trading money that you can afford to lose, money that you don't care if you will be losing that money, or if you have big account and you are trading very small lot size in relationship to your account, okay? But I have seen traders who are trading without stop loss who are making money the first month, second month, third month, and then they lose it all. They lose all the account in the 3rd or 4th month, because this sort of mentality, this sort of risk management will never work in the long run. You have to think about trading as a business, okay? Which means like I need to make money on a monthly basis from trading, and it's doable. If we can do it, you can do it too. Never ever let anyone else convince you other than that. We are the proof, by the way, okay? Our members are the proof. Weekly Waves is the proof about succeeding in trading. You can go to Trustpilot, you can go to Instagram to see the stories. The story speaks about themselves, okay? But what I can tell you, regardless of where you in the world, regardless of your age, regardless of if you are full-time, you have a full-time job, regardless if you have any problems, family problems, financial problems, If you focus on trading and you put the right work on it, you can succeed. I can guarantee you that, okay? Because if you put the right work on something, you'll be able to succeed on it. There's no way, especially if you learn from the right people. Make sense, guys? So for silver, I think this was done. Perfect. What's next? I'm expecting market to give me a push up here, corrective structure, and one more push up. If you want to trade this up wave, it's up to you. If you want to trade this wave to complete, to know what is the next structure, also it's up to you. For me personally, if I'm trading silver, I'll wait for a corrective structure to go for the next buy. I'm not trading silver, but if I'm trading silver, this is what I will do, because I'm here to share with you my point of view. All right, guys, in regards to the chat, once I finish this one, I'll just read the chat for a few minutes before we end the session, okay? And by the way, I can see more than 120 people watching and only 63 likes. This is not fair, all right, guys? Please give us a thumbs up, and even once we finish, if you can comment, I'm repeating this will be appreciated. Bitcoin, what about this one? Market island is moving to downside slowly. I'm not seeing any up wave. I'm still biased to the upside, regardless of where the market is going. Even if we get this drop to break this low, I'm biased to the upside. This is the next wave that I can see for Bitcoin. And those of you are interested in cryptocurrencies, do not miss this up wave, guys. Do not miss this up wave. Doesn't mean risk all your money or jump in or put all what you have in Bitcoin. Never ever do that. Even as investment, you have to invest wisely. If you want to succeed as an investor, you have to invest wisely. And as per Warren Buffett, I repeat this so often, never ever put all your eggs in one basket. Even if I see this, even if everybody is seeing this to the upside, okay? Do not put all your money in one asset, all right? So for this one, regardless what the market is doing now, I'm biased to the upside. And I'm buyer, by the way, okay? US30, after this upwave, market started to pull back, started to go to the downside. Even here we have double top formation, even this is a complete structure. I'm expecting the market to give me a corrective wave for one more fall, okay? I'm not biased for this upwave to break the top yet. I might be wrong, but I cannot see this now. All what I can see is a corrective structure and one more fall. Is that clear, guys? So this for US30. I'll just go for the chat, guys, quickly before we end the session. Again, I'm repeating, thank you very much for your likes on the last stream. If we can also pass 500 here in this one, this will be even better. Again, it just takes from you less than 1 minute. All it takes is less than 1 minute. And those of you who want basically more details about WeTraders membership, you can just read this to the right side, or you can even go to our website. Everything is written on our website in details, what you will get. And if you have any questions, you can go to the FAQ section on the website, or if you cannot find the answer, you can send us an email. Drop us an email at info@wetedwaves.com, and our team will help you with that, okay? So Jerry, hi Alan, had an awesome week. Want to thank you for your advice on gold last week, man, to maximize my profits. Well done, Jerry. This is exactly what I want to hear, actually. Okay, perfect. Riaz, is there any crypto payment system for the subscriptions? Yes, we do accept crypto. You can check the details on the FAQ section on the website pricing page. It's wetedwaves.com. All the links are in the description under this video. Right, Jerry, perfect. Jerry, by the way, make sure to enjoy the profits, okay? And this not only for Jerry, it's just for everybody. Once you make money, guys, make sure to enjoy the profits, because there's something very, very important. You have to pay yourself first, because this is the only way to motivate yourself. Because if no one is motivating you, you have to do it for yourself, okay? Right. Jerry is saying, I am one of the Elliott waivers, was expecting a move up on gold last week, but your advice last week saved my account. Amazing, Jerry. Thank you very much for confirming. Ushi, hi, Alan. Please, can you guys start the monthly subscriptions again? Ushi, I think all these are on the website, yeah? We have basically the monthly subscription on, and anyone can join basically the full featured one. Gordon is saying, all the best, Alan. Thank you for all your hard work, not forgetting the Weighted Waves team. Cancel on. Thank you very much, Gordon. Thank you. MGH. Hi, thank you. Can I ask to add US100, NASDAQ, and DAX in your weekly checklist, please? MGH, to be very honest with you, this is not fair for weighted waivers, all right? Because all the other lists are covered during our Sunday live session. If you can afford to join and you are serious about trading, please go and join us. You will get everything in details there. If not, I suggest you to follow us on a weekly basis. Probably you might learn something from here. And yeah, that's it basically for this one. I really hope you understand basically what I'm saying regarding that, yeah? Rodin, thank you very much for confirming that. The daily session will be from 7th or 14th. Fly Rockers, it will be from Monday. I believe it will be 7th till Friday. All right? So 5 days. It will be from Monday till Friday next week, which will be from 7th till 11th, if I'm not wrong. Let me just double check that quickly for you. So it will be from 7th till 11th, Monday to Friday, August actually, at 8 a.m. UK time. Again, the links for the live sessions and where will be the stream, all of this will be shared for you on our social media platforms. Again, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube community tab. So make sure to follow us on all social media platforms. I'll make sure to drop the links for you in the description under this video or in the first comment or probably like yeah, on the first comment will be nice. I'll say basically to Joe to post on the first comment. This will be basically easier for you to find it. Or you can go to the website, footer section. You can find it there anyway. Right. Hello, after following you on YouTube weekly for almost a decade, I joined you last week and I can confirm you're genuine and you are giving your members gold for lifetime. Thank you very much. Go in. Thank you very much for your feedback. Okay. Lakshmi, have you any Hindi language speakers? Yes, we do have. And also the course videos we have basically the course notes in the Hindi language as well. Okay. So I can show you this one, by the way. So inside the community, we have basically members from more than 160 to 180 countries around the world. And we have speakers from everywhere. But just to show you one more thing about the course, if you go to the course section after you join Weighted Waves, you go, let's say, to chapter 1 or any chapters. Just I want to show you something which is very important for a lot of you. Look at this. These are the lesson notes in different languages, okay? Spanish, French, German, Chinese, Arabic, and Hindi as well. All right? So you can find this here, and these are the chapters, by the way. Okay? This just the knowledge that you will get. This is the masterclass course. And after that, the real work is on the daily sessions, on the monthly Q&A session, and you have the other features as well. But that's the basic for your question. All right? Lakshmi, like the live. Thank you, Mike. Yes, please. If you can, guys, give us thumbs up and leave a comment once we finish. It will be appreciated. Saniel, Eurodollar, we have covered that. Please watch the recording once it's ready. It will be ready within probably 10 to 15 minutes after I finish the stream. YouTube will basically process that for the SG version, and you'll be able to watch the recording. All right? With that note, guys, I really wish you a successful trading week. You trade with care and do not follow the weighted rates for golden rules. And see all of you on Monday. All right?